Hey everyone, my name is Gursimran, and this is a part of my weekly series of top three trending stocks. At the outset, again, let me clarify that this video is not meant to be considered as financial advice. This is purely for educational and entertainment purposes. I'll just get started with this week's analysis quickly. As you all know, we monitor the dashboard of iron.contail.io every week to discover the three trending stocks of the week, and then we talk about them in our analysis every week. Coming to this week, we see that the top three trending stocks are ITC, IEX, and HDFC. All of these three have been covered in our previous videos, including BSE and CDSL as well. So for this week's analysis, we'll be covering MCX, BCG, and DMART. Jumping right into the analysis, I'll quickly start with a review of the three stocks that we covered last week, which were IEX, GLO, and KIMS, which is IEX Global and KIMS. So for IEX, in the video last week, I had mentioned that 216, approximately 216 is my area of interest. So we have come to 235, which was the last support before 216. And we can see that the trend line on the daily chart has been broken and it has gone back up to retest the trend line and looks like it is rejecting again. So if IEX is able to hold 250, it can continue to move upwards, but the TA over here says that it is likely to go down to 216 and maybe 190, and I will still wait for that area to buy this stock. Coming to global, in the last week, I had mentioned that this stock is expected to continue its upward momentum, and I had mentioned approximately 50 rupees as the target price. It did get the impulse move up. It did get to 50, but it went way beyond 50 and broke through all my targets. So I guess this is a very bullish stock now because this is trading at above a very significant resistance level. I think the next target for this stock would be somewhere around 62. And if it manages to break that, this can fly. Coming to KIMS, which is a bit of a weird stock, as we have discussed in the last week. But if you notice this over here, this blue box, I had marked this last week at the beginning of the week. And if you look at the chart, we have precisely hit the target that I'd set in this box. And now we've seen the upward momentum. But we've seen that the stock is now approaching the neckline resistance here. And I would be cautious in terms of buying it here. Once I see it flip this level and go to maybe 1400 level, that is where I would look to buy, or I would look to buy back lower around 1282. Coming to the three stocks for this week, the first one is MCX, which looks to be in a falling wedge formation on the daily chart. Falling wedges are usually considered bullish formations, and if this one plays out the way normal falling wedges do, we should be looking at an entry somewhere around 1521, and the targets would be around 1800, 1950, and 2050. But again, that all depends on the chart not closing a daily candle outside this trend line support. The moment that happens, I would look to cut my losses and exit the stock. BCG is a very bullish chart right now, but there is one thing that I say to everybody investing in the stock markets is if there's something that goes up hitting upper circuits continuously, it will come down hitting lower circuits continuously because there are gaps that need to be filled over here. And if you look at the daily chart for BCG, the last daily candle is a very big bearish candle that is there. So I would be cautious and I would definitely not be looking to buy here. If you're a buyer, I would wait for around 138 level. The final stock in our analysis for today is DMART. DMART looks like it broke a trend line on the daily chart from back in July and came back to retest it. Looks like it's rejecting again. And if you look at the chart, it's forming lower highs one after the other. So the momentum looks to have slowed down, and I would look to buy this around 4,290 level. Before we wrap up the video, I'll quickly cover what we expect from Nifty. If you've been a part of the income group from mid-November, I've been giving cautions to everyone saying that Nifty is expected to hit around 16,600 levels. Last week, Nifty hit my target. It actually went much lower than my target, but if you look at the daily chart, not a single candle closed below 16,600, which was my level over there. Now it looks to have bounced back from here. Now for further continuation, we have claimed the previous week closing level over here, and the last daily candle of the week has closed above this level at 16,985. I would want to see the price consolidated above 16,985 and break this trend line before I become bullish. until then, we are still in a downtrend on Nifty. That covers our analysis for today. If you like our content, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for regular updates. That's it for today from our end. Have a happy new year and a happy Christmas to all of you. Thank you and bye-bye.